Matic has been looking
Oh,
really nice.
love this. I
55%. Now,
love this.
yeah, I'm telling you, man. We say the same thing, guys. When Bitcoin has a bit of a good day, we got selective coins that the market loves. There's a lot of appetite, man. What's your favorite meal?
You're
Anything.
putting me on the spot.
Apples.
Apples, pears.
100%. As soon as you feel like you want to get, just, oh, it would be nice just to eat something right now, you're probably going for your favorite meal. Matic has been one of them. We can see here. We've been talking about Matic, guys, ever since here. And as soon as we had a breakout with Matic above the 77, I got it on the 77. I know Brendan got it on the 77 cent. This was on the live stream. We drew all of this. We had our alarm saying, hop in, buy this as soon as you get in because this is gonna skyrocket. We know Matic likes it does. You can tell this is pretty good. We've been streaming for a while.
Yeah, we've been going for 2 hours, folks.
Likes the uptrend into those patterns, identify a clear resistance, identify a clear support, and any break above that resistance is gonna move us upwards. Again, move upwards, downward channel, identify a clear resistance here, clear support here. Any break above just pushes the price action all the way to the top. And look what happens. As soon as we dropped exactly at that level where we broke out of before. So right now, we found the support again, somewhere close to the, look, 74 cent, exactly at that breakout, where we had that breakout. And right now, looks at this on the 2-hour chart. If we're taking maybe a look at the 4-hour chart, just to see something a bit more specific, or maybe, let's go to the daily. This is the daily. Daily still, just went down to the 100 EMA just for a bit to find that support. But overall, you know what? I'm just going to stick to the 4-hour, my bad. We can see a clear resistance that Matic was stuck in on the 4-hour. You can see how we were it's just too much of an overextension to the bottom. And exactly at the MACD crossover, as soon as the sellers had the market for a while, man. Sellers just had the market for a while, and buyers, it's time for buyers to step in. Could it be a dead cap bounce? Probably, but damn, it's at 123% movement for the past couple of days. As soon as we broke out of that resistance, major resistance is being broken. So buyers are in the market. We did break above the 200 and the 100. We know exactly where those levels we're looking at. Overall, we know what Matic is capable of. $2.70. We have a lot of resistance. Obviously, we just broke above this. We're probably gonna come back down to the $1.30, $1.40 region to retest it. But this is the 4 hours, so maybe even the 1 hour would show us that retest that happened already. Look at that, man. As soon as you break above, come back down and continue to move upwards. Major resistance for me would be somewhere close to the $1.89 and eventually the $2. But as soon as we break back above the $2, I don't think buyers are gonna wait till this thing goes to the $2.07. I think Matic is gonna continue to blow up. But then again, it's dependent. As soon as Bitcoin has a bit of a nice day, this thing is up 50% already.
Yeah, it may very well, man. And I love this setup. We're clearly respecting this trend line. We finally broke out bullishly. Matic, super solid project to hold for long term. Although we're right up against resistance right now from about $1.60 to about $1.80. So we need to get about, if we can get above $1.80, oof, we could fly. Maybe even retest all-time highs. We'll see. Again, this is all dependent on Bitcoin holding it together. Looking at our lower time frames, because look, we're right up against resistance. So we want to know what's going to happen here in the short term. I mean, man, like even the shorter time frames look bullish. I mean, half-hour bullish crossover, weighted MACD, bullish crossovers. The gas on the way up. We're even seeing a bit of bearish divergence here on the RSI, making lower highs. But now we're seeing bullish divergence here on the RSI. Like, look at this. Here, let me draw my. It's not letting me draw
You're
my
drawing
line.
into the R side, that's why.
Yeah, hold on. Anyways, let's see
Yeah,
here.
take your time.
Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. So see, we're seeing bearish divergence, and now we're going making lower highs, and now we're making a higher high, folks. This is bullish, very bullish. Lower time frames do not want to correct. So again, I think we probably have more room to the upside. Although we're a bit overextended, we have an impulse. So I do think something like this is possible. Perhaps a bit of a pullback in the short term is possible. If you're looking to swing trade this, I would personally be taking some profits right about here, just because I do think we're right up against resistance, and I think it's possible that we can fall back down, maybe to volume, maybe to the original breakout point. And if we can fall back down to wherever we do and make a higher low and hold this as support, then we have room to the upside afterwards. So again, even if we do find that rejection and have a bit of a leg down, as long as we make a higher low,